So it is Wednesday, December 5th, 2018 at 8:01 p.m. And I'm going to demonstrate um, the um, the program that is keeping me in pain and how it works with this simple microwave detector. I paid $35 for it. And when you hear the beep, that's when I'm feeling the pain. And you can see, there you go, right there. A pulse of pain right there. I heard I heard Randy has a license for me. That's every 30 seconds, so 40 seconds. I heard Randy has a license for me, and I have to go back to it. And I'm going to be a slave no matter what. And Rick joined me. That's at 1:55, 1 minute 55 seconds. And that's right on the belly, right here. That's 3 minutes, about 10 seconds. This demonstrates the frequency of remote assaults. And I'm really sore on the obliques, very sore. And my back, pulse of pain on the back. That's 4 minutes and a few seconds. That's about a minute apart. And my back is really killing me. And there you go, right at the spot, right above the right kidney. That's 4 minutes 32 seconds. That's on the breast. And that's on the back. And that's on the right back. That was the left back here. That was the right back. And right here, belly, underneath the arm, breast, 5 minutes, 18 seconds. That's the frequency of the hit. And it's very, very, very accurate. Breast, I'm just going to take my hand away from any buttons, so you know I'm not pressing anything. Yeah. Right there on the back. And they're knocking underneath the unit as well. Six minutes, 6 seconds. So I'm going to turn it off there. And right here, pulse of pain. And right at the back, pulse of pain. Back again. Obliques. Lots of knocking from underneath the unit. This is to the, not in the loading dock area, this is underneath, like one of the units, not the loading dock. So I experienced this at work as well. By the end of the day, I'm very, very sore. Back. Obliques. Breast. Obliques. Kidney. Right kidney. Obliques, obliques. Obliques. Chest. Seven minutes, 55 seconds. I'm going to turn it off there.